One of the things that I haven't spoken a lot about is the legal aspect of building and starting and then running a certification program. Well, I'm no lawyer, but I have an incredible lawyer on my team. In fact, he is going to be holding a legal workshop that he will present to you all of the documentation that you are getting as part of your membership into certification membership program. Now, the bottom line is that when you join our program, you're going to get legal templates. And these legal templates are not for you to fill out and then use. They're for you to fill out with the guidance of my team and our attorney, which you then take to your attorney, who will then bless them as your own. And the reason this is because everybody lives in a different state and the law in each state is different. You're going to get these documents and you're going to get to work with my attorney as well. And at the same time, in a legal clinic environment, so you could ask questions, you could see what other people are asking questions about. And then at the end of the process, you should be pretty much ready to go. Get your attorney to bless your docs, and you should be ready to launch your certification program. So if this is something you're considering, you know where to find us. It's certificationmentorship.com. Come on over, check out the free class, and then from there, you decide whether it's for you. I'd love to work with you. I want to help you scale. See you there.